In the video I have for you today, we'll be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, looking at what is going on. Clearly, you can see there's a lot of red. Looking at the fear and greed index, we are still at greed, and we have been ranging in this zone of around 60, 63, 64, 65, 66 levels, also informing us what is going on in Bitcoin charts and Ethereum charts, with a view of taking a trade and spotting positions either to the long or to the short positions. Clearly, looking at the Bitcoin chart, it has respected all the trend lines we have drawn, all the support and resistance zones we have drawn. So we still maintain this because this has been respected, and this is showing us that we are right on the money, understanding the zones where there's a lot of movement for us to take a possible position. Looking at what happened over the weekend into Monday, Bitcoin pumped into $108,000 levels, and following that, we dumped all the way to 105. That is now telling us now there's a possible reversal into this trade, and there's a momentarily short position for us to take right now. This is scalping, and this is what we'll be doing in the video I have for you today. Looking at Ethereum chart, we are moving sideways. We were not able to cross above the resistance zone of around $2,500 levels, and following that, we have been ranging and just moving sideways. But there's a lot of bullish catalysts and bullish narratives happening on Ethereum, showing us what is happening. You can see there's a lot of companies that are building on Ethereum. We heard about Robinhood launching stocks on chain, so a lot of chain, you'll be able to trade that, and we believe even in HashEdge, all this will be happening in HashEdge. So stay tuned for when stocks will be on chain, and this is another avenue for us to make money, and we'll be showing you and keeping you, hand-holding you throughout this journey, so that we all make money throughout this bullish narrative, this new meta that is coming on chain for us to make money. Of course, you must have seen Tom Lee also stating over the news, it was everywhere on crypto Twitter, saying that he's launching ETH treasuries on his company. So he wants to position himself as the next MicroStrategy, but for Ethereum. This is incredibly bullish for Ethereum. And you can see Bloomberg analysts have now assigned a 95% chance that spot if ETF will be approved for Litecoin, Solana, and XRP, and the SEC has approved Grayscale crypto ETF holdings in Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. What is this telling us? That in July and August, looking at it from historical precedents and historical moves in the market and price action from past cycles, you can see that July and August is something that has always been incredibly bullish for us. So this is telling us this month and the next month is one we have to be locked in. Watch these videos daily so that you take advantage and you pay attention to the positions, either long or short, that I'll be presenting to you, so that we can take the trade together. And we'll be taking a trade, and even one trade I'll be taking today in the chat, in the video I have for you today. I'll be taking a short position in Bitcoin, telling you that I believe we'll be moving upwards towards the VWAP that I've indicated here, which is around $188,000 levels, and we'll be taking a short position to close the trade and take profit around $106,000 levels, with a tight stop loss around $200,000 levels. This is what I'm looking at in Bitcoin, and we'll just jump right into it and take the trade. I've already set all my parameters here in my price, so I'll be entering the trade around 106,900. If it goes up, I'm setting a limit order with a tight stop loss of 107,100, and a take profit around $106,100 levels. And I've just entered the trade, and my trade has been entered, and you can see the open order is an open short. So we'll be giving you analysis, and we'll be taking you through all these trades that I'm taking. This particular trade, this short position of a 5x leverage in the market, and looking at the price, we expect it to go up to touch that resistance of around 107, 106,900. Then we get rejected, like we have seen in the past, for us to further consolidate and go back, and we'll be taking advantage of this. I'll be taking you in the next video. I'll be showing you the results of this trade, what to do, how to spot all of this in videos following all of this, so that you guys can also take trades and make money from this volatile asset class and this highly profitable industry that we are in, with all these bullish narratives and catalysts that is happening in this space. You have to take advantage of it. That's why we are here, to take you through this, to handhold you, so that we all make money from zero to Ferrari. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.